Welcome to the Final FronTia Live Awards. Please welcome to the stage your host, Tina Cough Syrup. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this year's Final FronTia Awards. Of course, it is now 2025, and we're looking back on the episodes that really defined 2024 for you and for all of us here at the Final FronTia. I am your host, Tia Kofi, here to present you with all the awards categories, but of course, I couldn't do it alone. We've got a dramatic voiceover played by producer Poppy.
Hello. No, I need a better voice.
Yeah, that was good.
Hello, and welcome.
That's good.
And
go with
welcome back to... No, I've got to do it a bit lower. Also, I don't know if this is out officially on New Year's. Can you check what the last Monday is of the year? The third.
Well, it's not actually 2025. It's nearly 2025, so we're looking back at the moments that made the Final FronTia in 2024. And of course, you have been voting because producer Poppy put together a very high-tech Google form. Literally tens of you have voted and the scores are in. We've got different categories. You've been voting. We're going to find out who's won the Final FronTia Awards 2024. Woo! I was singing a theme tune.
Oh yeah. I don't know. Is that how it goes?
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you never listened to the full song?
No, I have. I haven't listened to the entire song, no.
I actually hate the way I sing the first... this can all stay in. Hate the way that I sing the first line of Loving Me Like That by Tia Kofi.
Why? How does it go?
Because it starts with... Jess, can you put it up? Okay, Jess literally has headphones on. It is what it is at this point. Everyone's tired. It's been a long year. Leave us alone. What's the first category?
And for our first category, we have Best Scene Reenactments.
And the nominees in this category are... Honestly, I just saw the financial spreadsheet for the costs of this podcast and envelopes were too much of a stretch.
I have envelopes there. Do you want me to give it to you in an envelope?
No, it's fine. The nominees for Best Scene Reenactment are Jimbo, Marmalade, Danny Harmer, LaPhil, Ahura, and Cheryl. And the winner is... Marmalade! Congratulations, Marmalade, on your award win. Let's cut to Marmalade live now and see what she has to say.
The odds are ever in our favour.
And scene.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Happy Hunger Games, and may the odds be ever in your favour. Now,
you are not looking at the script.
The time has come for us to select one courageous young man and woman for the honour of representing District 12 in the 74th Hunger Games. I forgot it, I'm an awful, awful fan. As usual, ladies first.
Effie moves over to the pool of names and draws a piece of paper. She goes back to the microphone and opens it.
Primrose Everdeen.
That was good.
Where are you, dear? Come on up. Well, come on up.
I am not emotionally prepared to do this Jennifer Lawrence moment. Bram! Bram! No! No, I volunteer! I volunteer! I volunteer as tribute!
Which is so funny, this next line. Always makes me laugh. I believe we have a volunteer.
As if it wasn't clear.
Mr. Mayor.
Bram! You need to get out of here. You need to get out of here. Yeah, it's you. You scream no.
No!
No! Bram! No, go find Mom! Bram, leave! Go find Mom!
No, no, no! A dramatic turn of events here in District 12. Yes, well, District 12's very first volunteer. Coming up, dear. What's your name?
Katniss Everdeen?
Well, I bet my hat that was your sister, wasn't it?
Yes.
Let's have a big round of applause for our very first volunteer, Katniss Everdeen.
Thanks, girl.
And they all do that.
Next category.
The next category is Best Outfit.
Best This Is My Outfit of the Day. Bum, bum, bum. Ba-da-da-da-da. The nominees for Best Outfit are Bambi Thug for Vinyl Cross. Ahura for Rose from Doctor Who cosplay. LaPhil for Chic Hand-Painted Garment. Scaredy Cat for Quirky Girl. And Marmalade for her episode 1 runway from RuPaul's Drag Race. And the winner is Bambi Thug. Congratulations, Bambi. The icon. Now, Poppy, it was an iconic outfit, wasn't it?
Oh my God, I loved it. I mean, I don't know how they fit through the door in it.
No, they could barely sit in it.
Yeah, they couldn't. They were for some behind the scenes gossip.
Oh, spilling the tea
you
here
heard
at the
it here
awards.
first. We did have to balance them on the edge of their chair.
You said enge. You said enge of their chair.
Oh my God, on the edge of their chair. And
That's end and edge.
we kind of had to hold them together a little bit. It took like 3 people to get them in that outfit.
But it was worth it.
It looked amazing.
That is the price of fashion.
Hey.
I am sat here in a t-shirt that says, my tummy hurts, but I'm being very brave about it.
Do you know what? That is such a you top.
I actually bought it for my boyfriend.
Oh, but I feel like it's very you. But you're like, oh, I'll get on with it.
I'm brave.
You're brave.
You wanna see me be brave? What's the next category?
The next category is, I'm just going to pick a random one.
Oh, quirky girl.
Really quirky is the geekiest episode.
The Geekiest episode. And the nominees in this category are Marmalade for Hunger Games. Veronica Green for Computer Games. Bradley Richards for Lego. Juno Dawson for Buffy the Vampire Slayer. Ow. That hurt. And Pearl Mackie for being in Doctor Who. So, okay, this is a very niche reference. There's a Saturday Night Live sketch when Sofia Vergara is hosting, and obviously she has quite a heavy accent, but she is hosting a fake Hunger Games sketch as if she's a roving reporter in the Hunger Games, and she just randomly shouts, Hunger Games! And I find it really entertaining. And the winner for Geekiest episode is Veronica Green! Congratulations, Veronica Green. Let's find out what Veronica has to say. If she doesn't have anything to say here, because she didn't reply to my WhatsApp message.
Fun fact from the Veronica Green episode.
Sorry, for anyone who's watching this, Producer Poppy is not on camera right now. So you are listening to Producer Poppy while I just look at her. So I'm just going to try and make some entertaining visuals while
you do some visuals.
Fun fact.
It was quite an early on episode, I feel. And it was the first day we were left alone, me and Tia, without evil Jimmy. And me, Tia, and Veronica sat in a big conference room whilst they both did their makeup, and we listened to Eurovision and gossiped, and it was lovely. And we made TikToks.
We did, yeah.
Yeah, great day.
And our next category is, Poppy.
One of my favourites, I'd like to say that I have a big contribution to this category. The most viral moment.
The most viral moment. Now, fun fact, Producer Poppy is responsible for a lot of our socials content.
Ooh, socials content?
Did my voice crack? Yeah. I didn't even hear it. Our nominees for most viral moment are Jenny Walser for the Heartstopper lip sync that we did. Danny Harmer for the Tracy Beaker video we did. Bradley Richards for the different Heartstopper video that we did. Hennaconda for Come Dine With Me. And Jade Adams for the Simon Jones PR montage. And the winner of most viral moment, even though this is statistically provable by the number of views and likes, and this video is not actually the most viral one, but it's the one that you guys enjoyed the most, it is the Jade Adams Simon Jones PR montage. Let's roll that clip. Simon Jones PR, hyphenated.
Simon Jones PR. Simon Jones PR. Simon Jones PR.
And our next category in the Final FronTia Awards are...
Most iconic episode.
Most iconic. This should be like the final one. This is like best film.
Okay, well.
Okay. The nominees for most iconic episode are... Six the Musical.
Iconic.
Pearl Mackie.
Iconic.
Charlie Craggs.
Iconic.
Juno Dawson.
Iconic.
And Kate Butch.
Iconic.
And the winner of most iconic episode is... It's Six the Musical.
Woo! Divorced, beheaded, and died.
That's not how it goes.
That's horrible
That's
history.
horrible history. do
Sorry.
you think the writers watched like horrible histories and went,
Yeah, let's do it.
yeah,
I've got an
let's do
idea.
that, but Britney Spears. Producer Poppy, if
Yeah.
I was a queen from Six the Musical, which one do you think I would be?
Anne Boleyn.
I'm that Boleyn girl and I'm up next. See, I broke England from the church, yeah, I'm that sexy. Why did I lose my head? Well, my sleeves may be green, but my lipstick's red. And that's on what? Undiagnosed autism.
I actually haven't watched Six Musical. I need to watch it.
Boo, Poppy.
Ooh. But I know you want to be Anne Boleyn and it just matches anyway. And I just want to say Anne Boleyn's always been my favourite too.
She is the best wife.
And my best friend, Bella, Anne Boleyn is
Hadid.
Yeah, no, I'm Bella Hadid. Please.
Okay.
Come on.
Whoa.
Let's be real. My best friend Bella, her like great times however many years is her great aunt.
Wow.
Yeah.
So here's what you know about producer Poppy. Her two best friends are, one of them is related to Anne Boleyn and the other one goes to Oxford University. Paint a picture. Do you know what I mean? Paint a picture. Our next category in the Final FronTia Awards.
The most drama-filled episode.
The most drama-filled episode. I dropped it. And the nominees were Pixie Polite, Electra Fence, James Barr, Jimbo, and River Medway. And the winner of most drama-filled episode is... River Medway! Wow, thanks to our sponsors. Producer Poppy, what's our next category?
Most nostalgic.
And the nominees in the most nostalgic category are Danny Harmer, Tracy Beaker, Daniel Anthony, Sarah Jane Adventures, you remember, Scaredy Cat, Drag Race, UK Series 1, Juno Dawson, all-round icon, Pearl Mackie, Doctor Who, you know. And the winner for most nostalgic, weirdly, is Scaredy Cat. I really thought it was going to be Danny Harmer.
Me too.
Robbed Queen,
I
Danny
know.
Harmer. But
it was like
Scaredy
by
Cat.
a big chunk as well was Scaredy Cat.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Wow.
Crazy, right?
People, you need to catch up on your Tracy Beaker.
For real.
I can make my world come true. All my dreams see me through. What's our next category? Producer Poppy.
Fangirl Moment.
Fangirl! And the nominees for Fangirl Moment are, in alphabetical order,
No.
Danny Harmer, Jenny Walser, Pearl Mackie, and Six the Musical. And the winners are in a tie of two in a category where 4 people were nominated. Six and Danny Harmer were our fangirliest moments.
Really good, really good.
What's our next category? PP.
Our funniest guest.
Funniest guest. Ooh.
Ooh, big one.
It's a big category. There were lots of funny guests. Our nominees in this category: Max Balegde, Hannah Conda, The Tiny Gentleman and Ember, Joe Black, Chris Hall, and Reese Nicholson. Now, Poppy, this was a close run category, wasn't it?
It really, really was. We had some very funny guests on the podcast
We
here so
truly
far.
have.
I'm sure it was a tough decision for everyone to decide.
But there can only be one.
There can only be one.
And that one, no longer a professional runner-up. The winner of this category is Hannah Conda.
Woo!
And we've got Hannah live on the line now. Hannah, hello. This is London calling.
Hello, mate.
That was bad. You tried.
Thank you.
I need an up. Well, Hannah's finally won something.
I know, so proud of her.
Me too.
This is such a big moment. We know she loses a lot.
What's lost got to do with it?
What's lost got to do with it?
Do you know what? Hannah was a guest on this podcast. Now she's got her own podcast.
Seems to happen.
Yeah, well. What's the next category?
This is our final category.
The final category. This is the big one because Poppy did it in a specific order that made sure there was a trajectory. What's the big category? The final one.
Friendship goals.
Because we as humans are nothing if we are not kind, caring, and congenial. Think about others. Have empathy. Lead your life with love.
Okay.
And Poppy, since this is all about friendship, I'd like you to read the nominees.
Oh.
Because you are my friend.
Oh. For friendship category, our nominees are... Oh, God. Tia's playing with the lighting again, everyone. Oh, no. Oh, no. Thank you. Yeah, brilliant. Our nominees are Victoria Scone.
Woo!
Ooh, it came out as scone today, not scone. Crazy. Jade Adams.
Woo!
Kitty Scott Claus.
Woo!
I remember all these names off by heart. Okay. Charlie Cracks.
Woo!
Hannah Conda.
Woo!
Tiny and Ember.
Yay!
And our winner of Friendship Goals is...
Very X Factor deadlock.
It's a draw with everyone.
I want to die.
Everyone. I'm literally not joking. I showed Jeff. I went, that is crazy.
Congratulations to all of our winners and to everyone who was nominated in this year's Final FronTia Awards.
We just want to say a big thank you to all the amazing nominees. You all deserve an award.
And thank you so much to all of the viewers. You all deserve an award.
We wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you.
No.
Oh, the laughs we've had this year, Tia, they've been unbelievable.
They truly have. Poppy, what's been your highlight?
Oh, God, my highlight of this year with the Final FronTia has got to be our amazing times getting ready together in the morning. We love a little warm-up.
Vocal warm-ups.
We love a little warm-up. We love a good
Lunges
chat.
in the yoga studio.
Our lunges in the yoga studio. We like practicing a few of our favourite songs. We like to have a little debrief about our weekends, our weeks, and our goals moving forward in life and in the podcast.
Journaling, but with words.
Journaling with words. I like our therapy sessions and our debriefs of life.
This is real. This is what happened.
I've honestly had the best year with you, Tia. Oh, God, these days are coming. They're coming. I've had the best... I've had the best year with you. We've had the best time. I've had the best time on this podcast working on it. It's an absolute honour to be your producer.
I really appreciate you. I appreciate you, Baby J.
Yeah,
we really
big shout
work
out to Baby
together.
J.
Editor Richard, this one's for you.
This is for you.
Do you really like it? Is it wicked? Yeah.
Is
I don't
it
know the words.
Richard?
Richard, that's the one.
What's been your highlight of the Final FronTia Tea Coffee?
My highlight is right now, we're saying goodbye for a year.
Well,
But a year in this context is 2 days or something.
Tomorrow.
So, tomorrow, I love ya. Tomorrow, you're only a day away.